So the headlight wiper blade is located right in front of the headlight on this little wiper arm. And as you can see, there is a right and a wrong way to install this. The long bar goes towards the long part of the headlight and the short one goes there. So you see how you have a short arm and a long arm? So it's going to be installed just like that. So to pull it out, you just can simply bring it to the edge like that and lift out. It's got these two little knobs that are going to sit right in that plastic. So to reinstall, I'm just going to put it in and just push it straight back in. Hear that click? And there it sits.